Welcome to the Classic Car Challenge. Today, we're testing your knowledge with 20 legendary cars from the fabulous 1950s. Let's begin. Let's kick off with a stellar powerhouse from the late 50s. Can you name this chrome-accented legend before the answers appear? The correct answer is A, 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Perfect start if you got that one right. Next, let's look at a dramatic styling shift from General Motors. Do you recognize this radically designed model? The correct answer is 1959 Buick LeSabre. Spot on. Those wild canted fins are unmistakable. Let's head across the Atlantic for some British elegance. Think you know this rare classic? The correct answer is 1951 Jaguar XK120. Brilliant! You recognize the gorgeous curves of this speed king. Here is a stunning representative of Virgil Exner's early masterpieces. Can you identify this elegant cruiser before the options appear? The correct answer is 1956 DeSoto Fireflight. Excellent eye! That three-tone color sweep is legendary. Let's finish round one with a rare European boutique gem. Do you recognize this highly unique import? The correct answer is 1959 Borgward Isabella. Phenomenal! Only a true connoisseur knows this Bremen-built masterpiece. Round two is in the books, but the climb is about to get steeper. Let's see if you can keep that perfect score alive. Let's start round two with a classic family cruiser. Can you identify this car before the full image is uncovered? The correct answer is 1952 Ford Custom Line. Nice job! You spotted it before the cover fully disappeared. Here's your next hidden challenge. Do you recognize this unique sedan before it's fully revealed? The correct answer is 1955 Studebaker President. Amazing! You recognize those sweeping Loewe-inspired lines. Let's reveal another classic. Can you identify this comfortable cruiser before the image is complete? The correct answer is 1951 Chrysler Windsor. Outstanding catch! That classic upright grille is hard to spot. Here's another hidden classic. Can you recognize this curvaceous European design? The correct answer is 1955 BMW 501! Incredible eye! You recognize this stately automotive legend. Let's finish round 2 strong. Can you recognize this beautiful classic before the cover disappears? The correct answer is 1959 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. A perfect finish to round 2. Those towering tail fins are legendary. 10 down, 10 to go. Only the sharpest minds make it past this point. Stay focused. Round 3 begins now. Let's zoom in on a legendary performance car. Can you identify this classic from a single detail? The correct answer is 1951 Hudson Commodore. Brilliant eye! You recognize the famous step-down design silhouette. Here's your next zoom challenge. Think you know this one from just a small detail? The correct answer is 1958 Plymouth Belvedere. Nice work! You spotted those soaring Exner-designed fins. Here's another close-up detail. Can you recognize this hard-working legend? The correct answer is 1953 Chevrolet 3100. Outstanding! You know your classic post-war workhorses. This specific cab configuration is highly prized by collectors for its visibility. Take a close look at this tiny detail. Can you identify this micro-sized game changer? The correct answer is 1959 Austin Mini. Excellent! You spotted the packaging marvel of Great Britain. Let's finish round 3 with one final close-up. Can you finish round 3 with another correct answer? The correct answer is 1954 Kaiser Manhattan. Fantastic finish! You spotted the sweeping rear glass of this independent classic. This is it, the final showdown. 5 legendary machines stand between you and ultimate classic car glory. No safety nets left. Good luck. A dominant force in luxury design is taking shape. Can you identify this massive premium cruiser? The correct answer is 1956 Lincoln Capri. Excellent! You recognize the sleek, modern styling of this premium coupe. This aggressive classic is hiding in the shadows. Do you know this finned performance machine? The correct answer is 1957 Dodge Royal Lancer. Perfect! You spotted the sweeping tail fins of this Dodge classic. A true forefather of performance is waiting to be identified. Can you name this legendary V8 pioneer? The correct answer is 1950 Oldsmobile 88. Brilliant! You recognize the ultimate pioneer of the high-compression V8. A low-slung stock car legend is slowly taking shape. Can you recognize this unbeatable performance machine? The correct answer is 1951 Hudson Hornet. Outstanding! You recognized the unbeatable king of the early NASCAR dirt tracks. Your final challenge is an absolute masterpiece of classic car craftsmanship. Can you finish today's quiz with a perfect score on this wooden masterpiece? The correct answer is 1952 Buick Estate Wagon. Fantastic finish! You've conquered the final challenge of the day. That's the end of today's challenge. How many points did you score? Leave your score in the comments using the format on your screen and tell us which classic car you'd like to see in the next challenge. Thanks for playing. We'll see you in the next video.